Understanding your oven's beeping sound.
Hello, and welcome to our troubleshooting guide. Today, we'll be discussing a topic that can cause some confusion: the beeping sound coming from your oven. Does it indicate a malfunction, or is it just a standard operating feature? Let's dive in to find out.
What does beeping normally mean?
In general, a beeping sound from an oven is usually an indicator that a function has been completed or needs your attention. For example, it might beep to signal that it has reached the preset temperature, or when your timer has finished counting down. However, if the beeping is incessant or seemingly without cause, this could indicate a problem with your oven that requires your attention.
Why is my oven beeping uncontrollably?
If your oven is beeping uncontrollably, this could be due to a number of issues. 1. Control panel issue. In many cases, continuous beeping can be a sign of a problem with the control panel. This could be due to a power surge or a malfunction in the oven's electronics. 2. Faulty temperature sensor. If the temperature sensor inside your oven is faulty or not reading temperatures correctly, the oven may beep continuously. 3. Door latch problems. Some ovens beep if the door is not fully closed or if there's an issue with the latch mechanism. Remember, each oven model is different, and the reason for the beeping could vary. It's important to consult your oven's user manual to understand the specific codes or signals your oven might be using.
What should I do if my oven keeps beeping?
If your oven is continuously beeping, here are some steps you can take. 1. Reset the oven. Try unplugging the oven or turning off the breaker that controls it. Wait a few minutes, then restore power and see if the beeping stops. 2. Check the door. Ensure the oven door is fully closed. If it's not closing properly, inspect the latch for any visible issues. 3. Consult the user manual. Look for any specific instructions or troubleshooting tips related to continuous beeping sounds. 4. Contact a professional. If all else fails, you may need to consult a professional appliance repair service. Continuous beeping could indicate a more serious problem that needs professional attention. In conclusion, while an oven's beeping sound is typically a normal part of its operation, incessant or unexplained beeping could indicate a malfunction. It's essential to consult your user manual or contact a professional if you can't identify the issue yourself. We hope this guide has been helpful in your troubleshooting process. Remember, when in doubt, always call in a professional to ensure the safe operation of your appliances. Stay safe and happy cooking!